If you're a self-managing landlord in Western Australia, you know how painful property condition reports are. Walking through every room, describing every wall, every floor, every fitting. Trying to write descriptions accurate enough to hold up in a bond dispute. It takes hours. What if AI could analyse every photo and write the entire report for you? Under the Residential Tenancies Act 1987, every WA landlord must complete a Form 1 property condition report before a new tenant moves in, and again when they move out. It must be provided to the tenant within 7 days. It's a legal document that can be used as evidence in bond disputes. Getting it right matters, and now it doesn't have to take all day. Landlord Wise makes this entire process simple. Let me show you how it works. First, create a new condition report. Select your property, choose the report type, entry, routine or exit, and you're in. Landlord Wise automatically creates the room structure for your property with every item pre-populated based on the official Form 1. Now you walk through the property, room by room, item by item. Each room comes pre-loaded with the exact checklist from the official Form 1. Walls, doors, windows, floor coverings, fixtures, the lot. You can add or remove items to match your property. For each item, mark it as clean, undamaged, and working. On your phone, you can snap photos straight from the camera. On desktop, just drag and drop or upload from your gallery. If you spot an issue, flag it and add a quick note. The AI will use your notes when writing the description. Once your photos are in, hit Generate AI Descriptions. Now watch. The AI analyzes each photo and writes a professional condition description in real time. It identifies specific materials, notes the condition of every fixture and fitting, and flags anything that needs attention. What would normally take you hours of writing is done while you grab a coffee. You can review and edit any description right here, and once you're happy, you're ready to sign. From the main page, tap Sign and Send. Landlord Wise generates your complete Form 1 property condition report as a professional PDF. It includes the full legal preamble required under the Residential Tenancies Act, item-by-item condition assessments for every room, with the clean, undamaged and working columns filled in, your AI-written descriptions in the comments column, and a photo appendix with every photo you took, organised by room and item. Your name is pre-filled as the landlord. Just tap Sign and the PDF regenerates with your signature applied. Then hit Send to Tenant to email the signed report directly. Under Western Australian law, the tenant has 7 days to review and return their signed copy. That's it. From photos to a signed Form 1 property condition report sent directly to your tenant. No more handwriting, no more clipboards, no more trying to describe carpet conditions at 10 o'clock at night. Landlord Wise handles the writing, so you can focus on managing your property. The link is in the description below. If this was helpful, subscribe for more WA landlord guides. Thanks for watching.